Here we got 1967 Ford Galaxie convertible. I don't know what the engine is. Probably something big. That's not small engine, man. I don't know. I don't know what the hell's in that thing. I don't know what Fords are, to tell you the truth, man. Aluminum radiator, but it's a rag top, baby, with a matching interior. And notice, put chrome around this. They wouldn't do that today, too. Cheapskates, cheap. That's like these big executives from CEOs and stuff. Grab all the money and screw everybody over. The workers, the consumers. Google, YouTube, Susan, you know. Look at this. Oh, stripes back there. Look at that thing. Look at that thing, huh? It's nice. I like how they didn't make them exactly like black stripes. They're kind of like a dark gray metallic. Because somehow it just goes better with that bluish color. It's like a, I don't know, it's blue, but I don't know what, it's a certain shade. I like how they did those stripes though. It looks better not being just pure black. It's like a dark gray metallic. It looks great. Nice.